Can you please sit because the judges are looking? Please.
He's very friendly when he's outside, kind of extrovert people. On the opposite side, we have Elise here, 2 years old, Pomeranian, very introverted. Yeah, she was run away from home once, but all our friends here helped bring her back.
Hi, Nyla. Say hi, Nyla. See?
Shiba Inu.
Shiba Inu. Okay. Thank you, Nyla. 2 years old. How long have you had dogs? Since birth. How old is Pokey? 10 years old, and she?
Since you.
6.
Okay. Cuckoo. Tell us something about Cuckoo.
Tutor is a kind, he's very calm and very sweet.
Okay, so that's Cuckoo. Thank you so much. That's number 23, Cuckoo. Next, we have owner's name, Vilma, and the pet is Sam. Vilma and Sam. Hindi na lang Vilma. Diba? Okay, tell us more about Sam.
Sam is almost 2 years old. He's very sweet, too playful, and he loves music. Sweet music.
Gee, okay. Okay, tell us more about Kobe.
Kobe is French Bulldog. He's 5 years old.
The dog
His nickname is Bulldog.
Kaya tayo lang naman Pilipino nakakaintindi.
Stubborn sometimes.
Okay, and the other one is Gigi, number 26. Gigi, can you tell us more about Gigi?
This is Gigi. She's 1.5 years old. She's very playful.
How long have you had both of them? Oh, nag-posing-posing ka pa dyan, ha? This is Macy, number 27. This one's number 28, Nemo Grace. Wow. Okay, tell us more about Bummer.
Bummer is actually 4 years old. I take him from a home shelter. So he's been with me for almost 2 years already. Bummer is actually an introvert and he doesn't really like to go outside. This is Pao. He's actually 1 year old. He is actually a gift for me from my boyfriend. And this is no, it's my brother.
Ask if he's the boyfriend, no brother.
So he actually likes to steal socks.
Okay. Okay, which one's Himiko? She's a girl then, and Hachiko is a...
Previously abused for his past life.
He's with me since 7 months. She's very kind, she's sweet and playful.
Okay, thank you so much at your home. Okay, which one is Princess? Can you show them Princess first? Let's go show Princess.